everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the alphabets in Spanish. Let's get started. So, first of all, I tell you the alphabets in Spanish completely. After that, I tell you their sounds and with examples. So, number 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, A, the sound of A is something between A or A, and sometimes it's completely A. Like agua. Agua means water. B, the sound is B, like beber means to drink. C, it depends. Whenever C comes with the vowel sounds like A, E, I, O, U, I mean A, E, I, O, or U, its sounds are totally different from each other. As an example, C, A. The sound is Ka, like casa means house. C, E, its sound is C, like zero means zero. C, I, C, like cinco, number 5. C, O, we call it co, like codo, means elbow. C, U, we call it cu, like cuello, means neck. So, D, like dedo, means finger. E, like estudiante, means student. F, like fiesta, the sound is fe. Fiesta means party. G, whenever comes with vowel sounds, its sounds are totally different. As an example, G, A. I mean G plus A, the sound is ga or ga, like gato or gato means cat. G, E, we call it G, like gente means people. G, I, it's called Gi, like girar means to turn around. G, O, we call it go or go, like gordo or gordo means fat. G, U, E. These 3, it's called ge, like guerra, it means war. G, U, I, it's called gi, like guitarra. H doesn't have sound in Spanish. It depends on the alphabets that come after or before that. Like the word hola. Hola means hi, but we don't pronounce H. We read it from O. H-O-L-A, hola, but we read it from O, not H. I mean, H in Spanish doesn't have sound. So, I, the sound is I, like isla means island. Jota, the sound is G, like joven means young. Ka, the sound is ke, like kiwi. And exactly in English we say kiwi. L, like leon, means lion. M, the sound is me, like madre, mother. N, the sound is ne, like niño, means kid. N, the sound is nie, exactly like niño, again means kid. O, the sound is o, like onda, means wave. P, the sound is P, like padre, means father. Q doesn't come alone normally. It comes with u, e. Q, u, e. It's called ke, like queso, means cheese. Q, u, e. It's called ki, like quien, means who. R, the sound is re, like rojo. Rojo means red. S, the sound is se, like sol. Sol means sun. T, the sound is te, like tigre. Tigre means tiger. U, the sound is u, like universidad, means university. Ube, the sound normally is v, like, or b. B, vida. Vida means life. W, the sound is v, like Washington. X, it depends. Like Mexico. Mexico. Whenever it comes with E, the sound is G, like Mexico, means Mexico. Y, the sound is Y, like yogurt, or yogurt means yogurt. Theta, the sound is The, but again it depends. When it comes with O, the sound is Tho, like zorro. Zorro means fox. When it comes with U, the sound is Thu. Thu, like zurdo, left-handed. And when it comes with A, its sound is Tha, like zapatos, means shoes. And also we have in our alphabet, whenever we have double L, that it's called eye, we should pronounce it ye or je, like lluvia or lluvia means rain. So double L, it's not called le, it's called ye or je, like the word lluvia or lluvia means rain. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Have a nice time and hasta luego.